past when I used to start like a year ago. But here I am still. I'm still doing this. I can't believe I'm still doing this. Alright. Oh wow, my mic is like super loud. I'll turn it down a little bit because it got a little, yeah, like just like that maybe. Alright. I'll turn the music down a little bit too. Okay. Okay, so I'm just gonna keep doing what I was doing yesterday, or Tuesday. Wow, yesterday. So like I was sending myself Twitch alerts with the Twitch CLI. Let's see, event. Let's see if I could do it because I restarted my computer, so I lost all my. Wait, I don't know why that worked. Like I lost all my ZSH history somehow. Like I don't know what happened there, but yeah. Okay. So, alright, let's see if I can get this going. Follow from test user to... oh, you know what? First I need to get my my user ID again, right? I should probably put that somewhere so I don't have to keep looking it up. Let's see. Twitch API get user. Is that not what it is? Get help? Oh, they're not going to tell me what. Okay, I gotta look at the API. Twitch API. Okay, there we go. Twitch token. Oh, get users. Q login. Okay, there we go. There I am. That's my ID right there. So now I can say Twitch event trigger follow from test user to my ID, and then with any luck it should, okay, it did do that, so I should be able to see another one here, but no, it doesn't work. Now I wonder if the broadcaster user ID event user ID test user test from user. Oh, I see. Okay, so maybe it did work. Let me let's look at the Rails logs here. See what's going on. Yeah, it looks like nothing. Man, I don't even remember what I did yesterday. I keep saying yesterday. Twitch event trigger, trigger follow. What if I just do that? What does it do? What broadcast user ID was that? Let's go to the webhooks controller and see what's going on. Okay. Actually, yeah. How does the Twitch CLI know where to can be forwarded to a local web server? We'll say help again. Oh, forward address. Oh my gosh. Okay, there we go. 3,000 webhooks. There we go. Does that work? Okay, yes. Perfect. So if I send this and I say from test user to me. So I'm just gonna get rid of all these other ones first real quick. Just so I could make sure that it's actually working. Oh, I set up this handy thing. So like I'm running Rails in a Docker container, right? As one does, okay? And I set up this really nice shell script, and I just call it R. So instead of bin Rails, right? It calls bin Rails, but it calls it with the Docker container. So it looks like this, right? So it just calls what Docker would do, right? With the volume and the name of the Docker image, and it just calls bin Rails, right? But it passes whatever you pass, so it's pretty nice. I ripped that off of, from someone at work, so yeah. I sometimes, like, people have much better ideas than me. Actually, most of the time. All right, so I'm gonna do just go into the console real quick. I'm gonna delete everything. Delete all webhooks, all saved webhooks. There we go. There was 11 of them. Now there's 0, right? Let's make this page a little nicer real quick. Let's just say, let's see, webhook history, right? Or we'll just say follow history, right? And I think I have Tailwind set up. Oh wait, do I not? Oh, I don't have Tailwind set up on this, so I can't. Let's see if I can do it. Maybe it'll just set it up for me. Tailwind CSS watch. Don't know how to build. Help. Okay, let me see. Maybe there's a way to set it up after the fact. Maybe not. I think it has something to do with app update, maybe. Let's see. No. CSS bundling Rails. I swear this is supposed to make it easier on me, but I don't know if it ever does. All right. Also, yeah, I have a lot of lighting. Okay, let me see. CSS bundling Rails to your gem file. Let's see if I have it. I really gotta stop doing this minimal thing. It's not really working out for me. Oh, it is a minimal. Okay. We'll just leave it at follow history then. And we'll just say style text align center since I don't have Tailwind. There we go. Alright. Actually, we'll do that for everything. Good style text align center. Ooh, this is something. It's music. I mean, it's not horrible. I feel like no copyright sounds is like the unsplash of it's kind of like where photographers, like, they take a picture and they don't really like it, so they put it on Unsplash. No copyright sounds is like, oh, I didn't really like this song, so I'm just gonna put it on Unsplash. Maybe I'm wrong. I don't know. Okay, so now that I have no webhooks, let's see. I'm gonna send this event, right? I'm gonna make this bigger, so hopefully you can see it. All right. Does that look better? Yeah, I think it looks better. This takes up too much space, though. We're gonna make the code big and the window small, right? Okay, so I'm gonna do this right now, and then the server said nothing. There it is. Test from user. Perfect. That's perfect. All right. So this is working. It's just really ugly and horrible. So you know what? I'll just add the CSS bundling thing in here, because why not? I'm gonna make this a little bigger now. Okay, so usually you don't do Rails minimal like me, and you shouldn't. So, all right, let's see. TZ info data gem. I don't even know if I need that. We're gonna get rid of that. CSS bundling Rails. What's the version? 1.0. 1.0 is the version. Nothing's changed. Okay. CSS bundling Rails. This little guy. 1.0. It's crazy to think that a small company, like, I was just thinking about this the other day, like, it's weird to think that, like, a small company like Basecamp can make its own, like, pretty extensive web framework, but it's not really Basecamp. It's like, it started as Basecamp, but then, like, Hacker News used it, Twitter did for a while, right? So they probably contributed to Rails, right? And made it, like, more complex than it needed to be. And then now you got Shopify and what's the other big one? Oh, GitHub. GitHub uses it. And what's the other? What's that? There's like another one I'm missing. Oh, Stripe. Stripe uses it, right? All right, so I'm gonna add this bundling thing, and then it should be bundle install. Yeah. We should be good to go here. Let's just do. For me though, it's I have to Docker build to bundle install, right? So that's. I guess I could make that a little nicer too. Let's do that. because usually you'd say bin bundle install, but here we'll just say bin bun. No, we'll just say b. Okay, and then we'll just bin bundle. We'll do what R does. We'll say bin bundle. We'll put it in the Docker container, right? Actually, I don't even think I need that. Actually, yeah, I do. Let me see. Bin bundle. Okay. Alright, make it executable. Bin B. And then we should be able to call bin bundle, but I don't know if it's gonna. I also need to build the Docker container, I think, so maybe I'll just make a build. Build. What was that? Bin, hello. Bin sh. Docker build stream alerts. Dot current directory. Okay, let's test it. Chmod. Bin build. Bin build. Hey. I don't know why it's running bundle install again. Maybe it always does, but oh well. Okay, cool. Okay, now that I have the thing installed, I need to run bin rails css install tailwind. Yes. Alright, so let me, is this done? Yeah. Let's do it. Come on, Rails, you could do it. Uh-oh, file changed, supplied flag value not found. I don't know what that means. Okay, I think I did install Foreman. Why did it install Foreman? So weird. Oh, probably for watching, maybe, right? Let's see what happened. Okay, so it created a .local for some reason. It also didn't add anything to my style sheets. Oh, it did. Application tailwind config. Application tailwind CSS. Okay, and then the layout seemed to have a problem. Style sheet link to application. Okay, that's alright. Nothing wrong with that. Okay, now the final thing is bin rails tailwind CSS watch. Is that not what it is? Okay. Watch. Let's see. Can I just say tailwind, maybe? That makes sense, right? Okay. Tasks. What, you configure bundler options? CSS watch. Is that it? No. Oh man. Let's see, tailwind. I could have sworn I was doing this somewhere. Oh, let me go in my other tmux session real quick. We'll figure it out. I'm also still working on my little org chart thing, so there you go. Let's see. Oh, you know what? Let's look at the history here. What is it? Tailwind. Oh, I have my Twitch API stuff in here. That'd be nice if I knew that. Oh, I was doing a post with the webhook and everything instead of triggering it with the Tailwind CSS watch, right? Dude, am I going crazy? Tailwind CSS watch. Interesting. Okay, maybe I should check that output more from when I, no, it wasn't this one, it was number 2. Okay, add style sheet, link tab, application layout, remove application. Okay, package JSON. Oh wow, I'm not sure if I like this. Add build CSS script. Oh, okay, so it's build. Oh, I see. So there is no watch, right? You know what? We'll just forget about it for now, and hope the thing boots up again. Okay, so other than being ugly, it's not bad. It works, and I don't really care about Tailwind right now because it really wasn't as easy to do from a minimal Rails that I thought it was. Oh, hello. Okay, so layout. I would say application dot. What if I did do build? Let's see. CSS build. Oh, it wants me to use yarn. Wow. I don't want that, that's for sure. I guess you need to do it in a new Rails thing. You know what? Am I gonna make a new Rails thing just for Tailwind right now? I might do that. Puma dev? What is Puma dev? Oh wow, look at that. Does it give you SSL? Oh, it does. Gives you a root certificate. Did I star this already? I should. Oh wow, look at that. 1,500 stars. Does it give you a root CA and it only gives you in Linux? It only tells you Arch limit distributions. Okay, I should try that though. That's not bad, but I feel like with Docker it doesn't matter. Okay, this is not gonna work, so I'm just going to add application back in there again. It doesn't do anything. There we go. Just to get this thing up again, going again. All right. Oh my goodness. Oh, I really ruined this thing. I also didn't commit it, so that's something. All right. You know what? Let me. Let's not do. Oh. Am I in production or something? What? Like, what is that? I'm not in production. That's the thing. Big manifest builds. Where do I configure this stupid thing? No. Assets? Yeah, okay. Doesn't really help me. Let's not declare. You know what? I'm just not gonna have a CSS file. We're just gonna get rid of that. There we go. Now it'll start up. Doesn't matter because there's no CSS anyway. Alright. Let me get something here. Okay, I didn't completely ruin it. Alright. Okay, so I'm just gonna abandon all that new stuff. And I'm going to... I think I want to try it. I think I want to try to follow myself through the real Twitch API. Okay, so not just authentication. I don't know if I need authentication, do I? Let's look. Oh man, 8:54. I was gonna make this a short one, so 6 minutes. Can't really do too much. Registering your app to obtain the client ID and client secret. I wonder if I need all this stuff though. I mean, I guess I'm authenticated with the Twitch CLI, so. I bet you there's a gem. Twitch Ruby gem. Ruby client for the Twitch Helix API. Helix REST webhooks coming soon. Webhooks. I guess they really didn't do webhooks. But at least I could authenticate, maybe. That's something. Gem, Twitch API, Twitch client, client ID, client secret. Token type user. Redirect URI, scopes. Okay, I don't really want to make API calls, so I just want webhooks. That's it. Let's do event sub. Handling events. Okay. Make sure Twitch sent it. Verifying the event message. Oh, I do have to do this though. I didn't do this. I just assumed it was it was Twitch. Yeah, I guess like maybe. I don't know. Let's see. Let's do Twitch Ruby webhooks. I'm sure someone's done the heavy lifting here. Oh, maybe not. Oh, verifying Twitch webhooks and Rails. Accept signature, blah blah blah, Twitch Shaw. Oh, there you go. Oh, is there a better? Oh no, this is not better. Okay, well, that's that then, I guess. Yeah, but how do I get this thing like online though? You know, Dev Twitch. I hope I don't give anything away by. Maybe I'll do this off. Well, yeah, maybe I'll do this off stream because I'm sure it'll like show some secrets or something. All right, I'm gonna look at this thing. Applications, webhook, robots. Oh my gosh, what the heck? I got a captcha right now. I freaking hate captchas. Okay, so it looks like I have it set up okay. There must be a way to connect. Let's see here. Listen, yeah, I guess if I just set it up, right? It uses Twitch API to interact with Twitch. Website integration. Yeah, I'm not really sure what this is. Broadcaster suite? I have no idea. I guess I'll just say website. Okay, then let's just save. I'm chasing, I'm climbing, I'm searching, I'm falling. It's worth every second for you. And then I guess like if I have this application, right? Register your application. Oh, it's the same thing I just did. You all. I guess like on Twitch, I would have to add it, right? Extensions. Yeah, I really got to figure this out. Maybe I don't. But yeah, I'll figure out how to do that later. It's gonna be some boring stuff. But in the meantime, I guess what I can do is what I was going to do before. I'm pretty sure I said I was going to not do this just with the refreshing. I was going to actually, I abandoned the action cable stuff, but I was going to do, some Ajax stuff. So I think I can do that now. Fetch, and then I'll just replace, what is it? Res, and then, oh no, I think it's then, right? It's a promise. Then, and we'll just put it in timeout, set timeout, function, no, set timeout function. You know what? I'll make it a function. I'll make it a function called something else. Because I don't want to just reload the page like I was doing before. I probably should have started with that. Let's see. Refresh. Follow history. I'll just call it refresh. Okay, and then we'll call it refresh. Actually, refresh is gonna have set timeout, right? And it's gonna call itself recursively 1,000, or call it every 5,000, and then it's gonna call itself. There we go. And then it's just gonna call. I'm just gonna call refresh. And then, actually, yeah, that's fine. What it's gonna do, it's gonna get the home page, and it's gonna respond with the page minus the layout, and then I'm just going to HTML document. I'm gonna replace the body with body inner HTML equals and I hope that works. Actually, before we do the set timeout, we're just gonna see if it works. Oh, it's what is it? This there. And to make sure that works, I probably want to say I'm just gonna make a webhook real quick. When it gets called, create. What does webhook have again? A username. Username. I'm going to say secure, random, hex, whatever. We'll just say hex 7 or something. All right. And then, so every time I call it, it should give me a new one. It's like just like a bunch of gibberish, right? Okay, so that can't find variable rest. Oh, yep. Be nice if it was res.text. Then I think it should be a different route actually, right? We'll just call it. Oh, you know what? We'll call it. Maybe I don't want to refresh the whole body though. Yeah, I do. We'll call it webhooks show. We'll call it home index ERB. If yeah, it's tricky to fit it in the resource pattern here because I'm really maybe I won't use the resource pattern. Yeah, maybe I'll do this. Def. Refresh. And then we'll do configure outs. Let's see, we'll just say resource home. Actually, Maybe I will say webhook show, since I already have it. Webhooks, oops. Webhooks, controller. I already have a show. It's perfect. And when this gets called, do the same thing. All right. Okay, so I think I'm okay now. Let me see, webhook show. What is in webhook show anyway? Oh, okay. Yeah, that's not bad. I guess if I'm gonna do this, instead of replacing the whole body, I guess what I could do is just li, and then I could just like sort of username. No, this doesn't make any sense. We'll just say webhooks, and we will replace the whole thing. We'll just copy over home index. There it is. And talking about body inner HTML. Right. Refresh. Okay, so we'll set a timeout of whatever, and then we'll call refresh. And this is gonna be 5,000. So when I refresh the page, it should show 1. It should be webhooks. Webhook, right? Is it a resource? What is it? Or is it resources? That is a resource. Okay, so we'll just say a webhook. Right? Yeah. Actually, let's. I'm kind of curious, like what routes. What does it call a show on a resource, not a resources? Oh, it does call it webhooks. Interesting. Okay. Webhooks. Makes more sense, I guess. All right. So okay, here it is. Let's try it. Okay, so there's 1, and then 5 seconds later, there it showed another one. Okay, perfect. And if I look at this request, right, it made the fetch right here. But it did return the layout though. Okay, so I did actually. If I look at this, it's jacked up probably. Body, yeah, okay, it's pretty jacked up. All right, so I need to let's see here, layout false. How do I think I just render layout false, right? Is that what I do? Render layout false, and then maybe that'll do it. Let's try it one more time. So let me delete all webhooks again. Look left, look right. Oh my gosh, be nice if I could spell. Okay. Let's just leave that open. Okay. Good. Alright, so then 5 seconds later, it should create one. Nice. Okay. So instead of creating one, I also have to check this stupid thing. Let's see. What did it return? Yes. Much better. No layout. Okay. Oh, this is already on a timeout, right? So it should, it was just on a timeout though, not an interval. Alright, so now I think I can recursively call it. I mean, I could just do set interval. I think it makes it a little cleaner, maybe. We'll just do set interval. Alright, so, I don't want to create random ones, but I do want to show them. And I'm going to delete them all one more time. Okay. And you know what? I do want to say Twitch follow history. And I think copying this was pretty dumb. Now that I think about it, I should just render this. Oh my gosh. Okay, I think I should just render this. and then render home index layout false, right? Okay, is that good? Let's see if it works. 5 seconds. Okay. All right. Yeah, it looks good. Okay, perfect. Then I could just delete that other one because that's super confusing. Okay. If I send another test Twitch one, right? Oh my gosh. Wow. Okay. No, that doesn't exist. Okay. Twitch. Man, I should really try to synchronize the history between all the tmux windows. Twitch. What is it? Event. Trigger. Follow. Okay. F, HTTP, webhooks 3000, webhooks. Okay. Oh wait, I forgot to user. I guess it doesn't really matter because, oh, there it is, test from user. Perfect. Okay, so like it's gonna keep refreshing, but if I keep sending, it should have another one. And there's no like terrible page refresh like I had before. Good old polling, man, you know, like I was trying to get crazy with the action cable, but I think Rails Minimal really, like if you don't know what is happening and you want to add something after the fact, I don't think that's a good thing. It's really hard. You son of a gun. I just looked at that. What's going on, man? Yeah. So yeah, I think it works. It looks pretty good. I don't really need action cable, so that's good. That's great. Now, you know what? And polling is like stateless, so you know that's good. Yeah. So I mean, I don't know. I think it looks good. I don't really know how to put it. Like I don't know how to put it on my. I think I already have it. On my little application thing, but I don't know how to like how to put it in. Like I don't know if I need to do authentication for the actual thing, like in production or whatever. But I guess I'll just do that off stream. All right, Matt. I'm sorry, but I'm kind of tired, so I was gonna take off. I've been here for like it was like 40 minutes, I think. All right. If anyone's watching this on YouTube besides Matt, thanks for watching. Thanks, Matt, for showing up for just this little bit, you know. But that's it. That's it for today. Because I'm like dying. So, all right. I will be back on Tuesday probably again. And yeah, that's it. All right. Bye.